Okay, my name is Yashna. I thought the program and the presentation was awesome. We all enjoyed it, and we have all learned new brilliant study methods, and it's awesome. Thank you. It was brilliant. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's awesome.
What's the program like?
Awesome. Awesome. Interesting. Video was awesome. Slothinator. It was fabulous. Thank you so much. You're grateful. Fun. Fantabulous. Fantastic and fantabulous. Amazing. Taught me many things. I just hate learning, but you made learning more fun and more simple for me. So thank you very much. I think it's going to change our lives and help many of the other people. Improving our work, and then it's helped us very, very much.
What grade?
All you did was great, and we had a better idea to how to learn our things. It was extraordinary. I think this program must help us in our schoolworks and learning for the final exams.
One word, how would you describe it?
It's awesome and fantastic.
Today I enjoyed a very cool learning about how you can do work is very nice, and I enjoy seeing you every day. When I go to high school, I think I can remember you.
I'm really happy to get the tips.
One word, how would you describe the course?
Awesome.
I like the show because it taught me too much in my brain. Now I'll be a nice boy and a clever boy now.
One.
I really enjoyed the show. It was fantastic, and I learned new words and how to gain good memory. And the show was really extremely awesome.
I think this program will change my mind, and I think I will do well in my school. And it was very awesome.
Thank you.
This program was a very nice program, and I think it's helped me very much.
One word, how would you describe it?
It was excellent and brilliant.
I think it was great because we learned some learning skills and things that we thought we wouldn't do, and I believe in myself that I can do better in my grades.
One word, how would you describe it?
It was awesome.
I learned about how to use the phone for studying to record notes.
My name is Sunil. I know how to improve my studies. By the way, the show was awesome. Thank you. The show was brilliant.
The show was very awesome. The show was interesting, and I am excited to learn new things.
I love the show, and I didn't know that I would always learn new things before, and now I can learn more things. By the way, the show was exciting and I loved it.
The show was very interesting, and I loved it. I learned many different things. The show was very interesting. I knew good things to learn and how to study my exams. The show was awesome, and I learned more about school. Thank you.
This teaching was very interesting. I learned how to do my homework. Thank you.
It was awesome. Fantastic. I'm going to school. Go to school. I learned how to be confident and learn better in my studies.
How's this program? One word.
Awesome. Fantastic. My name is Jake and I'm from Banga Primary, and this program was awesome. I'm Shivama Raj, and the show is awesome. Now go to Yadav.
I'm Yadav Nobel, and I'm really loving the show. I hope that it'll help my studying terms and I'll be able to beat everyone as I always do.
You're taking out a bunch of these long notes, and I enjoyed the program, and I learned a lot. My name is William. I learned a lot. I learned about how to study and how I can study. The show was really awesome. I appreciate everything that you've done for us. Thank you very much. It was awesome. Interesting.
You?
Awesome. It was brilliant. It was
One word, how would you describe the course?
exciting. Awesome. But very interesting. Exciting. This experience was lovely. Thank you.
was very inspirational. I think I can come out first this year and win a lot of awards. And I can be very successful in life professionally.
One word, how you describe the whole program?
Excuse me?
One word, how would you describe the program?
Awesome, amazing, and fantastic.
It was amazing. It was absolutely awesome. It was totally wicked. I loved it. I think it's a life-changing experience. It was a very nice experience. I learned something that I can take on all of my life. I learned how to learn and be comfortable and to learn and get more experiences in life.
One word, how would you describe this whole program?
Awesome.
Awesome.
I learned how to memorize, how to learn, and so it changed my perspective about how studying. Now I can study in better ways that I've never ever thought that I would be able to study.
And
The show was awesome, life-changing, amazing.